Hi guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the new JetMag Pro landscape kit. Let's get into it. Okay, the new NiSi JetMag Pro kit comes in a variety of variations. I've been lucky enough to play around with the landscape kit, which has the 3, the 6, the 10 stop and the CPL, the polarizer. Over the last 2 months, I've been taking it up to the Lesotho Highlands. I've also played around with it at Slangkop and Kogelbaai seascapes. So I've put it through its paces and I'm going to let you know what I think about it. So obviously the best feature about the JetMag Pro system is that it is a magnetic system. So this makes it really quick for you to quickly pop on filters, pop off filters. You don't have to worry about them falling off, and particularly if you twist it into the locking system, impossible for them to fall off. Whether you're running across rocks or you putting it on in your bag, it won't come off at all with the new locking system. So the magnetic system makes it very quick to change filters. It also stops you from putting any smudges or fingerprints onto the filter because you don't have to press anything on. It just clips on and grabs it very well. So first off, let's look at the design. So the new system is very sleek and compact. I really like this. If you're like me and you don't like putting a lot of stuff in your camera bag, this is a very nice design, particularly with the aluminium designed caps on the back and the front. Means that you don't necessarily have to use the bag, although the bag is quite nice. You can just slot this into one of the open pouches in your bag, and it's a very small, sleek profile. So love that. It's also got this new integrated locking system. So you see the little holes on the side. If they lined up, the filters cannot come apart at all, and you just turn them to the side and then you can open it up and take off the cap or take off the filter. So in terms of the design and quality, looks really great. I'm very happy with that. In terms of the optics of the filter, NiSi is by far one of the leaders in filter systems. They have nano coatings on that reduce reflections and give you 100% color accuracy, so you don't have to worry about any color casts when you're using the system. Okay, let's talk about what comes in the kit. So in the kit, it comes in the bag, and I'm talking specifically about the landscape kit. If we open it up, we will see inside we have a very nice compartment to keep all your filters together, and then you also have other compartments to keep your ring adapters, or you could keep your filters separately if you wanted. So with the kit, it comes with the 82mm ring adapter, 77, 72 and 67mm ring adapters. So that's great for, I'd say, a majority of lenses that shoot landscapes. The kit does come in a smaller size, which will be coming out. And then it comes with the front and the back cap, which is, I love that about the system. And then we have the 3 stop, the 6 stop, the 10 stop, and the polarizer all in the kit. So everything you would need for landscape photography comes all in one kit. So you don't need to buy any extras unless you are doing night sky or video and you'd want a mist filter or something like that. But for the landscape kit, this is perfect. So let's talk about my practical in the field experience with the kit. I mean, I've had the kit now for 2 months. I've used it quite extensively, and I must say it is a real game changer in terms of rapid filter use. You can change your filters really quickly. You're not worried about them being knocked off when you're running around on the rocks because of the magnets. The only thing I would say that maybe took me a little bit of time to get used to is that the filters were maybe a little bit too strong. Which is not a bad thing, but you know it's connected on properly. But It took me a little bit of time, not long, like 1 or 2 uses, just to get used to how strong the pull of the magnet was and how I had to pull it off in that. And once I was used to it, it worked really well. So that was the only thing. It took me a little bit of time to get used to. Other than that, very happy with the system, easy to use. And one of the big features is that they are very thin, and with the filters being extremely thin, it means I have reduced vignetting from the filters. So that is also a plus. So reduced vignetting with the new system, really easy to use, and small profile in my bag are sort of the 3 pluses that I enjoy about the new system. So that's it. That's my very brief and rapid review of the new NiSi kit, but it's definitely something I would consider upgrading to, particularly if you are used to the old square system and are struggling to get your filters on. This system will be a big game changer for you. So if you have any questions about the system or want to ask me about my personal experience, feel free to ask me in the comments below and let me know your thoughts. Cheers.